Hey guys, welcome to Code Part-Time. I hope you guys are doing well. In this series of videos, we will look into some basic topics of IT industry, like how computers evolved, what is inside of our computers, what is internet, important words in IT industry, and what do they actually mean. In the world we are living in today, people, businesses are nowadays moving their accounts, billings, and all sorts of paperwork from traditional method to digital methods. Everywhere around us, be it store, malls, workplaces, share market, payments, and currencies have already taken their digital forms and are still growing. So guys, definitely having some basic knowledge of IT can help us choose a career in IT. There are so many things, topics, sectors in information technology industry. One who has enough willingness to learn and plenty of excitement about the new concepts can make their positions into this industry in the most possible scenario. So anyone who wishes to start a career in IT or anybody who wants to know how a computer works, this series of videos on IT basics will be certainly a lot helpful for you. So let's get started. As we all know, the fictional character James Bond needs no intro. In our childhood games, we often pretended to be like our favorite characters. What made these characters so cool was that they always seemed to know everything. The information they possessed made them, their employers, and their governments more powerful. In the same way, possessing information on various topics keeps us one step ahead in the game. Whether as an individual, a company, or a community, we are better prepared to take smarter decisions if we know the current trends, the latest news, and the past occurrences and consequences of a problem. Our immediate need for information did not always exist though. With time, along with the growth in numbers, wants, capabilities, and demands, our need for information has increased at an exponentially high rate. Today, information is available on numerous topics, and each smaller ones enables us in countless of ways. Information has become one of our fundamental needs. Using computers or computer systems to manage all this information is called information technology. Let's look at the definition of information technology. The Oxford Dictionary says that IT is the study or use of computer systems for storing, retrieving, or sending information. It's no secret that computers are at the very heart of the IT framework, lending the term technology to information technology. They are used to create, store, retrieve, and transmit data or information across large distances. Thus, they have become indispensable to our 21st century lives. To understand information technology, we need to take a closer look at its biggest player and at the same moment its biggest limitations too. We will take a closer look at this lovable box named computers in our next video. Till then, have a nice time, stay safe,